Hello students. Now today we discuss the theorem related to the area of parallelogram. Now statement is the two triangles the same base are equal base and between the same parallel line are equal in area. Now again, two triangles on the same base between the same parallel line are equal in area. Now the parallelogram ABCD, the parallelogram ABCD, A, B, C, D, and the perpendicular AM, AC is the diagonal. ABCD is a parallelogram and AC is the diagonal. AN perpendicular to DC. AN perpendicular to DC. Now suppose that ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram and AC is diagonal. Suppose that ABCD is parallelogram and AC is diagonal. AC is diagonal. In triangle ABC and triangle ABC. In triangle ADC and triangle ABC. AD equal to BC and DC equal to AB and AC equal to AC. AC equal to AC. AD equal to BC. Opposite side of parallelogram. Opposite side of parallelogram. और AC equal to AC common, then the triangle ABC, congruent triangle ABC and the area of ADC equal to area of CBA. Area of ADC equal to area of CBA. Now the area of ADC equal to 1 by 2 area ABCD and the 1/2 BC into AM. Area of parallelogram equal to base into height. Area of parallelogram equal to base into height, and the area ADC equal to 1/2 base DC into corresponding altitude AN. Clear? Now next as the Now next as the question number 1 of exercise 9.3. Question number 1 of exercise 9.3. The question is, E is any point on median. E is any point on median AB of a triangle ABC, so that area of ABE equal to area of ACE. Area of ABE equal to area of ACE. Now once again, E is the any point on the median AD of a triangle ABC, so that area of ABE equal to area of ACE. E. This is the figure. AD is median of triangle ABC. Thus it will divide triangle ABC into two triangles of equal area. AD is a median. AD is a median of triangle ABC. It divides it into the two triangles ABD and ADC are equal in area. So AD is median of triangle ABC and ABC. It divide into two triangles of ABD and ADC are equal in area. Clear? Now the ED area ABD equal to area ABC. That is first. That is first. That is first. ED is median of triangle ABC. ED is median of triangle BEC. ED is median of triangle BEC. Then area of EBD equal to area of EDC. Second, that is second. Subtracting 2 from 1 and area ABD minus area EBD equal to area ABC minus area EDC. So therefore area ABE equal to area AEC. Now proved the given statement. देखो क्या है कि जब मीडियन जो है किसी भी ट्रायंगल को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करता है, मीडियन किसी भी ट्रायंगल को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करता है। यहाँ पर एक एडी मीडियन है और ये मीडियन इस ट्रायंगल ABC को दो ट्रायंगल में डिवाइड करता है और ये दोनों ट्रायंगल की एरिया जो है वो इक्वल है। दोनों ट्रायंगल की एरिया क्या है, वो इक्वल है। अब ट्रायंगल BED हमने BEC लिया, ट्रायंगल BEC में ED क्या है, ये मीडियन है और ED मीडियन जो है इसे फिर दो ट्रायंगल में डिवाइड करता है और इन दोनों ट्रायंगल की एरिया क्या है, इक्वल है। पहले ट्रायंगल ABD से दूसरे ट्रायंगल BED को माइनस किया गया तो हमें जो है ट्रायंगल AEB और AEC प्राप्त हुआ। ये हमारा जो है यही हमें प्रूव करना था कि ट्रायंगल ABE और ट्रायंगल ACE इन दोनों की एरिया जो है इक्वल होगी। क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Question number 2. Question number 2. In a triangle ABC, E is the midpoint of median AD. In a triangle ABC. E is the midpoint of median AD, so that area of BED equal to 1 by 4 area of triangle ABC. E is the midpoint of median AD, so that area BED equal to 1 by 4 of area ABC. Now figure AD, B, C and E. Area BED, equal to 1 by 2 BD into DE. 1 by 2 BD into DE. Area BED equal to 1 by 2 BD into DE. 1 by 2 BD into DE. E is the midpoint of AD. E is the midpoint of AD. E जो है AD का मिड पॉइंट है, दस AE इक्वल टू DE. AE जो है वो DE के इक्वल होगा. AD is the median on the side BC. AD is median on the side BC. AD is the median on the side BC of triangle ABC. So BD equal to DC. So BD equal to DC. Therefore DE equal to 1 by 2 AD. DE equal to 1 by 2 AD and BD equal to 1 by 2 BC. 1 by 2 BC. Area BED equal to 1 by 2 BD equal to 1 by 2 BC into DE 1 by 2 AD. 1 by 2 AD. That's equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 BC into AD equal to 1 by 4 area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC equal to area BED. Area BED. So therefore it is the area of BED equal to 1/4 of the area of triangle ABC. Clear? Now it shows that AD is the median and E is the midpoint of AD. So therefore A is the midpoint of AD and A equal to ED. AD is median on the side of BC of triangle ABC. So therefore BD equal to DC and DE equal to 1/2 AD and BD equal to 1/2 BC. Now put the value of BD and DE from this equation. So we get the result of area of BED equal to 1/4 area of ABC. Okay, thank you.